Okay, it's the 20th of December. It's been snowing, at least down here all day. I hear up north you got about 3 inches up towards Harding and that way. Um, I've had a problem. Somebody hacked into my personal account and then it kind of messed up the weather outlook pages on Facebook. So now I've got to somehow sign back into them things. And, I'm old. I don't remember the codes, but I can get into it on the phone. So the video looks a little different. It's because of that. So, but they were sending out requests for people on my personal side, and it really messed things up over there. So I just took it all down. So anyway, it's been snowing, probably an inch down here outside of Reading where I'm at. And it was snowing pretty good a little while ago when I was outside. I know up here, like I said, in Harding, sister said they got like 3 inches or so up there. I'd be interested so people to tell me what's going on where they've got the snow. This is what's going on about now, and you're going to see it's going to move to the east, but this takes you to around 8 o'clock. Here's 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and it starts to fade away after midnight and move more towards New Jersey. But it's light. It's not this. It's not these big snow. But as the cold air comes down, and again, here's your cold air. There could be another burst of snow around after midnight up here in the Poconos that comes through and drop a quick amount of snow. And then you can see it moves down here towards Reading and Allentown, Stroudsburg through here around 4 in the morning, and then here it is moving further south, and here's around 6 in the morning, and it's really out here. And then the low pressure system is enhanced a little bit, and it throws a little bit of snow back into here where you've been a little light with your snow, and then it moves off, and then you're stuck with these streamers, squalls coming off the lakes tomorrow. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. If you're going to the football game at State College, you might have some flurries in the air. They probably cleaned up the bleachers and whatever else of their snow. But here's your temperature. It's like 25 degrees. So you better dress warm if that's where you're planning to go. And again, this is the temperatures for everybody tomorrow afternoon. This is noon. And then you're going to see during the day, it's not going anywhere. And then this is around 6 o'clock, and you can see it's already in the teens in the Poconos and across the northern part of Pennsylvania. Basically, north of 80, it's in the teens by 6 o'clock. And then as we go through the nighttime hours, here's around 10 o'clock, and you can see more of an area gets down in the low temperatures. We take this out towards the morning hours, and we've got some single digits. Poconos, some single digits. Out here towards Bradford, single digits. Everybody's teens or 10 degrees. If you're down here towards Philadelphia and Jersey and Wilmington, you're in the teens. And then where you don't hit the teens along the coast here, you're in the low 20s. So it's pretty cold. And then on Sunday, big rebound. There's snow on the ground. It's going to stick around. It won't be on roads, but they'll stick on the grass. You've got temperatures in the afternoon around 3 o'clock in the teens still to the north and in the Poconos, and low to mid 20s elsewhere. And you can look down here. We're looking Jersey, and everybody's in the 20s in the afternoon on Sunday. So I think the Eagles are home. If they're home this weekend, it's going to be a cold game, a very cold game against. Even if they're down in Washington, it'll be freezing. And then as we go towards Sunday night as we head towards Monday, um, this is around 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, and again, cold, a little bit warmer out here. It's in the teens, but basically northern parts and the Poconos are down cold, and you'll get down in the single digits for sure as you get into Monday morning. Now, how much snow are we going to get from tonight? Some areas are overachieving. This is additional snow. Um, for between now. Let's fix this between now and Saturday noon. You can see there's more snow up here in the Poconos. It's overachieving in a lot of places up here, and I expect it to overachieve a little bit over here where it says 1 inch towards Newark and New York City. I think it might overachieve there. You might get a couple of inches more than what's showing on here. But as you can see, down towards Philly, an inch, inch and a half down there. I know it's overachieved here in Berks County and definitely going to be more than what it shows on here. But again, it all depends on where the band is set up and where it's at. And again, you still got a little bit of snow to go there um, tonight and tomorrow morning. Now, Christmas Eve, there'll be a lighter dusting of snow, not like it we just got, but again, you can see some areas here. This is lake effect up here, but as you can see, it gets down to the suburbs of Philadelphia, and then that includes Lancaster, Harrisburg, and everybody. You get another dusting of snow on top of what you had. The Poconos, maybe an inch or so, two at tops. And you can see out by Pittsburgh, you get like three-quarters, you get a dusting. So everybody gets a little coating over what's still laying on the ground on Christmas Eve. And if you're wondering temperatures on Christmas Eve, if you're planning to go to church, like I am planning, um, let's back this up a little bit. This is around this is around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Temperatures got above freezing a little bit, so there might be a little melting. But I still think that little bit of snow, and then this is overnight. Look at these temperatures dropping, especially in the eastern part of Pennsylvania. They drop pretty drastically. They get down into the teens in central and northeastern PA, teens down here in Allentown, teens all the way down here towards Philadelphia and South Jersey, and it warms up to the west over here in western PA. It warms up to freezing, and we have a little bit of precipitation. Now, this is the radar for the 23rd in the evening around 8 o'clock, and you can see that the snow comes through over the nighttime hours. Here's around 5 in the morning. It's crossing here through Philadelphia, so you get your dusting of snow, and then it goes off. And then as we get into Christmas Day, um, we had some precipitation out in the western part of PA. You can't really see it on this map, but it's in Ohio, but it misses. It just doesn't, never makes it to eastern Ohio, and it doesn't get into PA. So on Thanksgiving or on Christmas Day, we have a very nice day with no precipitation. For temperatures on Christmas Day, let's get back to where we're supposed to be here. The high in the afternoon on Christmas Day. You can see to the north, it's just below freezing. Central part of the state, you're around freezing. Southwest and southeastern part of PA, you're just a little bit above freezing. In Delaware and Jersey, you're in the mid to upper 30s, and so that's your day. So it'll feel like Christmas. Hopefully, and I'm saying hopefully, the snow sticks around on the grass at least before we get to Christmas, so we have something on the ground when we wake up on Christmas morning. Okay. Again, send me your pictures. Send me what your totals of your snow are when it's finished snowing, what you have on the ground, and so I kind of keep track of what came through with this and where did the band set up, and understand that I gotta. I'm sending it out. It looks a little different, but it's the same weather. It's just going to look a little different on your screen. And I've been asked by people of different ways that they can donate. So this is all the different ways you can donate if you wish to donate to keep this page going. Just you can take a picture of this or whatever you want to do, but that's where you would find ways, and it would help out keeping this thing going. It's not cheap. Didn't get a lot of people to join the .com page, but I still keep doing it. Hopefully, more people will join that and make it worthwhile because right now didn't make anything on it. I'm still in a losing mode with the cost of doing it. All right, everybody, take care, be safe, drive safe tonight, and I'll be back on here tomorrow with an update and see where we're at. And like I said, send me your pictures or at least send me your totals. But when you tell me your totals, tell me the town you're in so I know where you're at. All right, take it easy and be safe.